All right, kiddos. Miss Ayers here again for another virtual lesson. Today we're going to talk a little bit about adverbs. Now, we have learned just a little bit about adverbs, right? We've learned about nouns. Well, before we talk about that, an adverb is one of your parts of speech, right? Parts of speech, we have nouns that we've talked about so far. Nouns, verbs, adjectives, and now adverbs, okay? So remember, nouns are people, places, animals, things, and ideas. Pretty sure there's something else in there, but you should understand, right? Verbs are action words, right? Run, write, play, eat, think. These are all actions, all right? And then adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. For example, I have a pink cup. My adjective in this sentence is what? Pink, right? Because pink is describing my cup. Now, adverbs are similar to adjectives, except today we're going to learn how they describe, let's see, what is it? I forgot. Okay, they tell how, right? So for example, adjectives describe how a verb is being done. Now, for real, for example, Miss Ayers talks quietly. Miss Ayers talks quietly, okay? Quietly would be my adverb because I am describing how Miss Ayers talks. Do you understand? If not, continue to listen continue to listen and watch because I will explain it all and you will understand it by the end of this video. And if you don't, you can always rewind and listen and repeat. Rewind, listen, repeat. All right, so let's get into it. Let's get into it, guys. Now, this is vastly different from what we've been talking about, commands, statements, exclamations. But adverbs can help to distinguish your writing. It can help develop your writing. It can help advance your writing, right? Because instead of saying the storm ended, you can say, how did the storm end? Right? It makes your writing more appealing, right? You're not just saying like, nah, yeah. It makes it more exciting. All right. So let's get into it for real. All right. It says, use adverbs that tell how, right? Use an adverb to describe a verb. Didn't I say that? Right. Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs describe verbs. Okay. Use an adverb to describe a verb. Y'all already know. Let's get in edit mode. Let's get our pen. All right. Use an adverb to describe a verb. Okay. Many adverbs end in ly. Now, if you guys remember prefixes and suffixes, you will remember that ly is a suffix because it goes at the end of the word. Remember, all right? So let's look at our example. The storm ended quickly, right? The storm ended quickly. Now, let's see. Let's use this blue. Ended is our verb, right? And then quickly is our, and I'm just going to do this. Quickly is our adverb. And what color should we make our adverb? Let's see. No. I'm tired of red. I'm going to use green. Okay? Right? So, ended is our verb and quickly is our adverb. Quickly describes how the storm ended, right? Quickly is describing the verb ended, okay? And if you didn't notice already, it has that ly on the end, right? That suffix. Come on. Okay. It has the ly on the end. Let me see if I can circle it. ly. Okay. And let's get this line just a little thinner. okay? It has our ly suffix. Now, it also says adverbs add details to your writing, right? Some adverbs tell how something happens, right? Some adverbs, let's get with the thickness, tells how something happens, okay? So, adverbs, all right? All right, so let's look at our examples. Denise walked slowly into her house. All right, so let's look at our verb. What is our verb here? What did Denise do? Well, she walked. Let's get this. She walked. V is for verb. Okay, V is for verb. I know, y'all. It's a little messed up, but it's there. V is for verb, right? How did Denise walk? What's the adverb? Slowly, right? So slowly is our what? Slowly is our adverb, okay? Now, if you notice, slowly also has an ly on the end, right? Didn't they say that many adverbs end in ly? Yeah, slowly. How does she walk? She walks slowly, all right? Now, next example says, walk carefully, said Mom. Walk carefully, said Mom. Now, in these quotations, what is my verb? Easy, walk, because walk is an action, right? And then our adverb is what? How does Mom say to walk? Mom says to walk carefully. So carefully is what? My adverb. And why is it my adverb? Because it is describing how Mom says to walk. All right? Easy, right? Remember, this is talking about how. How is something done? All right? So let's look down here at the bottom. Part A says, complete each sentence, use an adverb from the box. Now, guys, you have to use the correct adverb. So if you do not understand these adverbs, make sure that you use a translator to understand, okay? Now, if it helps, repeat after me. Badly, badly, brightly, brightly, crookedly, crookedly, fearfully, fearfully, sadly, sadly. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to read one of these sentences for an example, and we're going to choose the correct adverb from the box. All right, so number one says, the sun shone blank after the storm. Well, let's see. The sun shone badly. No. The sun shone brightly. Possibly. The sun shone crookedly. No. The sun shone fearfully. Nah. The sun shone sadly. No. Okay. So our correct answer would be brightly. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to come on, guys. There we go. Brightly. And let's change the color to red. Okay? So there you go. You just have to choose which is the correct word. All right. Now down here in the bottom, you have to come up with your own adverbs. Okay. I'm trying to think of some places where you can find some adverbs. If you type into Google, list of adverbs, you should be able to find something. Now you can't just use any adverb. It has to make sense. So let me show you. Denise walked blank into her room. Let's see. She walked, let's see. An adjective, how did she walk? She walked quietly. I like to use quietly because a lot of people understand it. Denise walked quietly into her room. Okay, so guys, down here you don't have a word bank. You can try and see if any of these work, but or I mean you can make up your own. Okay, so yes, guys, that concludes our lesson for today. Guys, when you are submitting, make sure that you write your name and class period first, please. All right, let me find myself. All right, guys, that concludes our lesson for today. If you do not understand, please feel free. Text me, send me messages via Schoology. I would be more than happy to help you guys. All right. Remember, if you don't understand, rewind, listen, and repeat. Okay. This is not only to help you understand the material, but this is also helping you practice listening in English. All right. See you guys. Bye.